What is up, Elon holders? Welcome back. Doing another update on the Dogelon Mars token. We know that as none other than ticker symbol Elon. Gotta let you know, I'm not a financial advisor and never WhatsApp anybody in my comments. Also, do drop a big like on this video as it is gonna help get exposure on the Dogelon Mars project, the Dogelon Mars mission, and most importantly, the Dogelon Mars community. Also, do consider subscribing. It is going to keep you up to date on cryptocurrency news, all things Dogelon Mars, and you can even win yourself some NFTs in the process. In fact, I'm doing a bit of a promo for a great NFT collection that is doing big things in the real world. This is the Garden Project by John Talmud, doing absolutely major things when it comes to agriculture, horticulture, and a lot of major moves that he is making. Go check it out. I don't want to ruin it or spoil it for anybody. There is a lot to dig into on this project, so go follow him at Garden Project NFT on Twitter, and you can use the link in the description below to go help support this amazing project. Okay, let's get into the day. It does look like we are currently ranked 164 right now, and our price tag is down 2.07% on the day to the 602413 range. But when I say we do hold the line, I mean we are holding pretty well. When you think of other projects, I mean they definitely can take a huge dump when they are a meme project, community-based projects. And this one just seems to hold the line, and it definitely makes me proud to be a holder. Getting into the day, look at our volume has picked up 67.25% to the 1.3 million traded over the last 24 hours. Pretty close to 1.4 million. $132 million market cap at the current moment. Circulating supply looking at about 548 trillion. And I mean, just a lot of massive updates for the project. A lot of volume coming in from Uniswap, Polynex, KuCoin, and Gemini, and Huobi Global. So big volume coming out of there. Looking at market confidence, let's see how we are faring. It's actually getting better. It's actually gotten quite higher than it has been in the previous days. So very, very awesome stuff. Another awesome thing to see is look at our holder count climbing back up. 140,409 holders. Pretty epic stuff. Looking at a bit of an analysis, we do have 18% of people in the money, which has been about typical for where the project has holded. Where it's held in the last few days. Looks like a lot of volume is coming out of the centralized exchanges and a pretty low volume coming out of decentralized exchanges. But let's see if we can change that in the near future. Does look like extreme fear is going through the market right now, at least on the Bitcoin side of things. Extreme fear and a score of 23 today. And as we look at the DXY, it does appear that it does continue to push upward, a little pullback. Hopefully we can see something from that, but we're definitely going to need to see a huge decrease in order to see a nice push upward in the crypto market. Now, hopping on over to Investor Observer, this is where all is not lost. It does look like we are still scoring extremely strong on both the short-term and the long-term technical. It does look like risk gauge is sitting about right in the middle. Short-term is 88, though. This is great. That means Dogelon Mars trading pattern over the last month has been bullish without getting too overextended. Scores are percentile ranked, so a score of 88 is more bullish than 88% of cryptocurrencies on the market, and they put these tokens on as soon as they ICO. So this is basically a ranking against every crypto on the market today. Long term 72, same thing, 72% of cryptocurrencies. I mean, more attractive chart than 72% of cryptocurrencies, which is great. Volatility looking great, sentiment looking about in the middle, risk gauge looking in the middle. I mean, but last 7 days, we have traded just close to $10 million worth of the token, while the overall crypto sentiment is bearish. So hopefully we could see some sign of turnaround for the macro environment first. Obviously, we're not going to see anything in Dogelon Mars before we see something come out of the economy, some kind of reversal, some form of a pivot, something to indicate that less tightening will be on the way. And that's just what it is. It may take a little bit of time, may take a little patience, may take a little faith, but that is something the Dogelon Mars community is full of. And they should be. I mean, look at this. Six Polygon ecosystems by social activity, and one of them is none other than our very own Dogelon Mars. Looking beautiful on this little pedestal right there. I mean, look at that. Very, very awesome stuff. Now, let's get into some realistic news. Crypto adoption slowed in the last year, but remains above pre-2021 levels. This is the news that is gonna take Dogelon Mars parabolic. I think you guys all know that. You guys are really smart people. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So I want to bring the best information I possibly can that we can lead to actual sustainable growth for our project. And this is going to be one. This one is going to be huge. Chain Analysis 2022 Geography of Cryptocurrency Report also found that 18 of the 20 countries where crypto adoption was highest were low to middle income countries. Wow, that's pretty major. It does look like cryptocurrency adoption slowed considerably since the onset of the bear market this year, but still remains above levels seen before 2021, according to a new study by blockchain analysis Chain Analysis. Based on the Chain Analysis Global Index score, crypto adoption slowed in the first 2 quarters of 2022 compared with the highs of the second and fourth quarter of 2021. Adoption remained higher, however, the pre-bull market levels up to and including the first quarter of 2021. Chain Analysis 2022 Geography of Cryptocurrency report also found that 18 of the 20 countries where crypto adoption was at its highest were low to middle income countries, where cryptocurrency is used for sending remittance and protecting saving against high inflations. By contrast, decentralized finance adoption is most prevalent in North America and Western Europe, where it accounted for 37% and 31% respectively of all crypto transaction volume. This points to a trend where Bitcoin is used as a primary entry point into crypto, with people in low and middle income countries are relying on it for basic day-to-day finances. Meanwhile, in more developed economies, DeFi is gathering speed both as a means of more sophisticated financial transacting and as an investment opportunity. So pretty major stuff. Big things. DeFi and Bitcoin were 2 major players when it came to this last bull run, which makes tons of sense. It makes absolute sense because we want to get the maximum gains that we possibly can in the project. I can see that running the narrative in the next bull run as well. Strong DeFi projects will probably be ones on top in the next bull run. So, I mean, massive updates. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think will spark this next bull run? I definitely think meme coins are going nowhere. I do think that meme projects will stay very strong because of the communities that they have, because of the utilities they can include, and because they are generally fun projects to be in. And I do think that will be a driving force in crypto adoption. That's just going to be my opinion. Let me know how you guys agree with that. Now, let's do some NFT giveaways. I have done 2 videos so far this week, one starting on Sunday, so I did do things a little bit different there, but let's do the giveaway on those NFTs. So that is going to be off of the first video here that was done Sunday. Does look like we had 22 comments, so great. I appreciate everybody who has entered, and it's going to be off of this video here. Okay, Steve127, it does look like Elon to the moon is a perfectly valid comment, so congratulations, you are one lucky winner. Okay, and the second one is going to be off of the second giveaway video I did there. You can check the URL. 43 comments. Wow, congratulations. Thank you guys for participating, and it is going to be off of this video here. Okay, Tales from from the cryptos. Congratulations. Ready for the pump diamond hands. All right. Congratulations. Thank you for being such a great supporter of this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.